I'm no Martin Luther King, but I have a dream. I dream of seeing a fully functioning and high-performing diving program in Jamaica. I hope that talented young athletes can be discovered and given an opportunity to pursue a career in diving. I hope that the diving pool can be the catalyst for the building of friendships and community. I hope that fearless performers can have a stage to display their skills before an audience. Ever since I started representing Jamaica in 2012, I was aware that it would all eventually become bigger than my own career if I was successful. Fortunately, that is now the case. After 2 Olympics and multiple other major games and championships, I've already surpassed my personal diving goals. I now feel an obligation to ensure that there won't be another 44-year wait before Jamaica's next Olympic diver. Hopefully this time, they will be homegrown, unlike myself. But there's a lot of work to do before that can happen. This year, I took the first step of turning that dream into a reality by hosting the first ever Dive With Yona camp in Kingston. I was planning to take a holiday in Jamaica anyway, this summer just gone. Sandals Resorts very kindly offered all Jamaican Olympians from Tokyo 2020 a complimentary 4-night stay at one of their luxury resorts. As my voucher was due to expire this summer, I knew I had to go no matter what. I can't remember where I got the idea of doing a camp, but I decided that I might as well try and do it while I'm on the island, so the trip itself became half holiday, half work. The goal of the camp was to teach the divers enough skills to be able to perform them in a display on the final day to an audience, like we used to do back in the day at club events in Leeds, an idea my mum gave me. Friends and family were invited, as were members of the media and VIP guests, including presidents of both the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica and the Jamaica Olympic Association. And this is how it went.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
At the end of the display, the divers had a chance to test their bravery and see who could jump from the 10-meter platform. Not an easy task for genuine beginners, but bravery is a key element of the sport. We started on 3-meter, and the rule was if you didn't go within 5 seconds, you had to step back and come down the stairs. If you jumped, you could move on to the next level.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Oh. Ready? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Yes. Oh. Very good. Well done, well done, well done, well done.
5 divers made their way up to 10-meter and convinced themselves to take the leap of faith. And they should all be extremely proud of themselves. Let's watch how they got on.
Okay, 2, 1, hold. Yeah. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Oh. You okay? Okay, Jaqueen? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight down. Straight, straight, straight. Well done.